In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Legacy Edition on Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Legacy editions of Minecraft are the versions or editions that ran on older consoles, but they also include the Nintendo Switch. So you might refer to them as Xbox One Edition, Xbox 360 Edition, PlayStation 3 Edition, PlayStation 4 Edition, and so on. These legacy editions were replaced by Bedrock, so if you try to download Minecraft today on consoles and mobile devices, you will be given Bedrock instead. However, there are ways to play legacy editions, including on Android. So for this video, this is what I'm going to be talking about. Officially, you cannot simply download the game, so if you go over to the Play Store, you won't be able to find a legacy edition available there. What you will have to do is use emulators. Now sadly, I cannot go into too much detail about downloading and setting up these emulators because of how YouTube works. The video could be taken down. So I'm doing this video as sort of an introduction, and you will be able to do your own research on how to download the emulators and how to acquire the necessary game files. Of course, piracy is wrong and you shouldn't pirate these games. You will have to extract the files from your own official copy of the game and insert them into an emulator. This will work for any edition that ran on consoles. So like I said, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, Xbox 360, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, Wii U, and so on. So after you have the necessary files for the game, you just place them on the emulator and run it on your Android device. You will have all of the controls here in the form of touchscreen controls, and as you can clearly tell, this is not Bedrock Edition, this is the actual Legacy Console Edition. But like I said before, it is difficult because you will need to extract the game files and use an emulator. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.